Hmm. That's weird. I don't know why I can't hear you.
I'll call you.
Hey, dude.
Hey, Daniel. Hey, sorry about that. I'm not sure what's going on with my computer.
That's cool.
So I'll just put you on speaker and just put you down.
All right.
That way we can still communicate.
Okay. Cool. You're on speaker now.
Okay, awesome. All right, so are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Let's get to it. It's important that I can get to work at noon today.
Okay. Absolutely. Okay, so just the solid P is the answer for number 3 already. Let's see, the requirements for the confidence interval are satisfied. Let's see, so I'm looking at number 4. I'll start working on that one. N equals 100, P equals 0.25. So, yes. So 4 is true.
Okay.
And for 5, that's also true.
Okay, awesome. So 3 was just the normal P?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So a study of first-degree murder trials was conducted by the state. A random sample of 60 people on trial for first-degree murder was taken. Of these, 45 the defendants were found guilty. So find P hash, the point estimate, right? Of the proportion of first-degree murder defendants who were found guilty in the state. So that would be X over N. So that's
0.75, right?
45 over 60. Is that what you said?
Yeah. So 0.75.
Yeah. 0.75. Yes. Yeah. Exactly. Yes. Sorry, I couldn't understand.
Oh no, you're fine.
Okay, create a 95% confidence interval for the true proportion of first-degree murder trials in the state where the verdict is guilty. And put your answers for margin of error lower bound. Okay, sorry for this one. I for some reason was not able to like figure out. Like I could do it by hand, even though it takes longer, so I don't want to do that. But for some reason, like inputting it into Excel, like I wasn't able to figure out how to do that.
So I think this one's 0.11.
So for the lower bound?
So the lower bound would be 0.64 and the upper bound would be 0.86.
So 0.64 and then 0.86?
I think so. I mean, we'll see when we submit it, but I think that's what those are.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I had an idea, and maybe we don't need to do this, but let's just say for some reason, like, if we submit this and it's like terrible, okay, no, never mind. Let's just go ahead and keep working on it.
Okay. All right. 10 is decrease, I think, right?
What's that?
For 10, is it decrease?
If you increase the sample size from 60 to 80, increase. What do you expect to happen to? Oh yeah, decrease. Exactly. Yeah.
Decrease. Okay. Now, have you been able to figure out 11 and 12? I don't understand. It was the same basic problem that we missed on the last one. I can't seem to find it in any of the readings.
Oh gosh, yeah, I didn't see this one either. I did the reading too. Okay, this is stupid. I'm gonna talk to Brother Bennett and just ask him like what the heck's going on with those.
Yeah, because I even tried to Google it. I mean, it might be in the videos. I went and watched the videos, but I didn't notice him saying that, but I may have just not been paying good enough attention.
Okay, I didn't look at the videos actually, so.
Okay, well, I'm going to.
Looking about these tests for one portion, 2 requirements to submit. Suppose P equals 1/2. What is the smallest? Yeah. Okay.
I'm assuming it's not a decimal. I'm assuming it's either like 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet 11's 1 or 2. It.
Okay, let's go ahead and put like say 1 this time, and then like 2 next time. Maybe.
Yeah, let's do that. So I'm just gonna put 1 for both of those. Now, have you been able to figure out 14 and 15 in those?
Let's see, for 13. I'd say that 13 is true, right?
I think so.
Yeah. So let's see, what is P? So, okay. So, yeah, I mean, I could do this by hand, and it wouldn't take me too long. For some reason, though, like putting it into Excel didn't work. Okay.
Okay.
So, let's see. Of course, I'm going to need to do that because it has a hypothesis test. So I'm going to bring that up real quick. Oh, gosh, come on.
So I think I've got it. I think it's 0.475.
0.475.
I think so.
Over there has decreased. They conduct hypothesis tests using significant level. Okay. Let's see. This is a not equal to. So sorry. What do you put in the inputs? So what do you put for like x1 and then n1?
So in the videos, Brother Cromar goes through and shows you how to use the new Excel files.
Okay.
And so I just opened the Excel file called categorical data analysis _
Yeah, I got that.
Do you have that one?
Mm-hmm.
Then you just go to the one proportion.
Yeah.
And then for X, it would be 38, N would be 80, confidence interval 0.95, null would be 0.6, and it's a less than test.
Gotcha.
So, Daniel, I actually submitted it just to see where we were at.
Okay.
And we got all of them right except for those two.
Of course. Okay. Here's what we'll do. Could you just give me the rest of your answers real quick? I'll put them in, and then I'll talk to Brother Bennett tonight and try to figure out, or not tonight, at like 1, figure out, and then like if you and I want to get back together just really quick, like briefly tonight, and I can have the answers for those other 2 ready.
Okay, yeah, that'd be great. So,
okay.
Which ones do you need?
Well, maybe I can figure it out on my own. I don't know, kind of. Oh, so 14 through the very end.
So, 0.475, 15 is negative 2.282.
Okay.
The p-value is 0.011.
Okay.
Is 16.
Yeah, that'd be good.
And then it's reject for 17.
Okay.
And then 18, there is sufficient evidence to water quality decrease. So the bottom one.
Okay. Awesome. I'll go through and figure out why those are the right answers. Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Daniel.
Just tell me what a good time is for you tonight, and I think maybe like 9 again or something.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, that should work. Go ahead and ask him because I can't seem to find it. I've gone through both readings, and I don't know what we're missing, but that's two assignments in a row where we've missed those types of problems.
Okay. Okay. Did you email him about the 5 last video thingies yet?
I did. I haven't heard back. I sent him an email this morning.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay, cool. Well, thanks, Daniel.
Talk to you later.
Okay, we'll see you tonight. Bye.
You too. Bye. Okay. So